Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, showcasing you a few more plants today, and this one is Muscari Manon, a pale sky blue Muscari, also known as a great hyacinth. Buds are just coming into bloom on these, but they'll open all the way along the little spire. Normally you see these in a darker blue, and in recent years a sort of almost navy blue has come out, but this one is a pale sky blue. So if you've got an area, perhaps you're doing a woodland theme in your garden, you want some early spring colour in beds and borders, under roses or shrubs, even a knot garden amongst the hedges, a low knot garden, this would be a good plant to try in there. Early flowering spring bulbs you could mix it with would be your dwarf narcissus like tete-a-tete. I've seen this used in the Keukenhof in the Netherlands to great effect, where they plant huge swathes of this as if it's a river running through the park under a sort of a glade of trees. Really looks effective, and they surround that with either tulips or daffodils. Really effective use. You could get quite imaginative with this plant if you wanted to. Other uses, just in your patio tubs, borders. Use it with violas, bellis, your early spring flowering plants to give you a big shot of colour early in the year. Very easy to grow. Buy it as a bulb in the autumn, get them potted now. Thanks very much, see you next time.